Hey there, this is Heidi Nord with the Brilliant Dyslexic, and thank you so much for coming to this next sound juggling lesson. So, don't worry about the letters. It's not a big deal worrying about the letters, but what I want you to do is to hear the sounds, to see the sounds, use your eyes, to touch the sounds, so just in the air, you can follow along, and to say the sounds, because that will really help your learning. So, here is the first one. So this is join, join. In the word join, what happens if I take off the n? Then you're left with joy, joy. Here is the next one. This is the word fuel, fuel. In fuel, what if I take off the ul? You're left with few. In the word shut, what happens if I take off the sh? You're left with ut. This next one is the word gum. In gum, what if I take off the g? You're left with This is the word jog, jog. In jog, what if I take off the g? You're left with jaw. This is the word bought. In bought, what if I take off the b? You're left with ought. This is the word tide. In tide, what if I take off the d? You're left with tie. This is the word might. In might, what happens if I take off the t? You're left with my. In the word fed, what if I take off the f? You're left with ed. In pain, what if I take off the n? You're left with pay. In the word pit, what if I take off the p? You're left with it. In cube, what if I take off the b? You're left with cube. In the word mole, what if I take off the You're left with all. In bait, what if I take off the t? You're left with bay. In the word, hang on one second, I lost it. How could I lose it? Oh, there it is. In the word lot, what if I take off the t? You're left with law. In lag, what if I take off the ul? You're left with ag. In duke, what if I take off the k? You're left with do. In the word shoot, what happens if I take off the sh? you're left with oot. In oo, tooth. What happens if I take off the t? You're left with ooth, ooth. In food, food. What happens if I take off the f? You're left with ood. In the word shown. What if I take off the n? You're left with show. In the word rim. What if I take off the r? You're left with m. In fan. What if I take off the f? You're left with an. In dip. What if I take off the d? You're left with ip. In the word book. What if I take off the b? You're left with ook. And in the word leg. What if I take off the You're left with egg. Thank you so much for coming to this sound juggling lesson. I hope all of you have a great day. Bye.